name is Robert Keitel, and I'm talking about open source software and want to answer the question why open source software is ready for business. In the current economy difficult times, many companies have to struggle right now with financial issues. They have to let people go in order to save money. I tonight want to introduce open source software to show you that besides open source software is saving you money, it is also cost effective, it is secure, and it has a great support. In this presentation, I like to show you I like to compare Linux and Windows 7 with each other and show you that Linux, as the open source part, it doesn't stand behind Windows 7, the major operation system for clients. On this table, I compare Linux and Windows 7 with the three criterions: cost, security, and support, because I believe these are the three criterions that any business owner should consider when he implements a new system in the business, in the company. The first thing is cost. If you look at Windows 7, Microsoft sells Windows 7 license right now for a price between $120 and $200. If you compare that to Linux, then you can see that you can go to any kind of distributor on the website, you download a license, you burn it on a CD, and you can use it on any numbers of PCs. There is no limitation, and that is basically for free. The security part. Linux is and always was the most secure operation system. Many companies right now even use Linux as the firewall system in their company. What is a firewall system? A firewall system protects your local network against the attacks that come from the internet. Windows 7, as the other side, is the most vulnerable operation system known right now. There are so many Trojans and virus attacks against Windows 7, Windows XP, that you have the need to buy another piece of software additional to the license for Windows 7 to protect your data and your system itself. Support as the last part, because I believe it is necessary that you're going to have a very good support for your open source system. And I think Linux and Windows 7 are equal in their support. Both have an outstanding online documentation available, and both have vendors behind the products that are doing a really, really thorough support for the products. I believe that Linux even has a huge group of user community that is eager to help you with any kind of problems, and that is actually for free. Operation system vendors have to have a good support. It is crucial for their business. They distribute their open source software for free, so their support is the strength how they make their money. Open source is a very secure alternative. How I said, many companies using Linux as their firewall system, and open source is the most cost-effective solution. Therefore, when choosing an alternative to proprietary software, open source gives a secure and a great support solution with a huge cost-saving benefit. Are there any questions right now?
I have two questions. First one, what quality assurance process exists?
Many of the open source projects now have the stability to support mission-critical production environments. Is there another question?
Second question. How easily can the system be customized to my exact requirements?
How the name already says open source, the source code is open. What that basically means is you can change the source code to your needs. But I wanted to keep you in mind that if you change the source code, there is a cost involved. Thank you very much.